This typewriter is an Optima Elite 3 typewriter made in East Germany, and it's been fitted with a black-blue ribbon. It is very, very easy to use, very snappy. This is the color changer, color selector, so you can go from the red to the blue or black, and that will allow you to use one of two different colors on the ribbon. You've got the capital lock and letters here. On this side, there is a carriage lock. So if the machine ever starts acting up, could be that the carriage lock has accidentally been engaged, and something to look out for. If you need to access underneath the lid, please make sure that the carriage return arm has been moved out of the way, and then you can lift and see your ribbons and the inside of the machine. And then to put the lid back, you just line up these little pieces there and carefully drop it down into position. Putting it back into the case is very easy. Just open the latch, open the machine up, and you're going to want to drop the machine onto these pegs and then push down to make sure that it's locked in place. And when you're taking it off, these machines can be a little bit resistant when wanting to take it off the base. And so you just have to give it a little bit of force to take it off and put it back on. And now I can tell that it's firmly fixed to the base. I'm going to put the carriage lock on, like that. And then we're going to close the lid, tuck this up and in. And this one's ready to go.